Hello everyone, my name is Ethan, your classmate in General Psychology 201-020. Today I will be discussing the anatomy of the eye. For the first diagram, I have the basic outline of the eye. Allow me to briefly summarize the functions of the eye. When light waves pass through the cornea, the transparent covering over the eye, the waves get focused through the pupil. The pupil is a small opening which light passes through. Depending on the intensity of the light, the pupils can shrink when it is too much or grow when there is not enough. This size is controlled by muscles called the irises. These are the colored portions of the eye. After passing through the pupil, the light passes through the lens. This curved, transparent structure further focuses the light. Interestingly, when light passes through the lens, the image viewed is flipped vertically, seen in this diagram. There is some light we cannot detect, which is found in our blind spot, or optic disc. Information that is missed in this spot is usually filled in by our visual system. In normal-sighted individuals, the lens focuses this image onto the fova. This indentation in the light-sensitive lining of the eye, known as the retina, is packed with specialized photoreceptors, which detect the light. This is depicted in the following diagram. One of these receptors are called cones. These specialized photoreceptors that work well in bright light conditions are sensitive to acute details and provide spatial resolution. Also, they are directly involved in our ability to perceive colors. Another type of photoreceptor is called rods. Rods specialize in low light conditions and are linked to our detection of movement on the periphery visual field. Visual information is further processed through the bipolar cells and passed on to the next set of cells. Those cells are the ganglion cells, which deposit axons that travel from the back of the eye to the optic nerve, which is shown in this diagram. As information travels down the optic nerve, they merge into the optic chasm. This X-shaped structure sits below the cerebral cortex at the front of the brain. Information from the right visual field is sent to the left side of the brain, and vice versa at this point. Once inside the brain, this information travels through the thalamus and finally enters the back of the brain, otherwise known as the visual cortex, for processing. And that is the entire process of visual information traveling from the eyes down the optic nerves and into the brain. Thank you for watching, and I apologize for the non-Play-Doh visuals. I have been assigned a lot of homework over the past few weeks, and I've been struggling to keep up with things such as work and sleep. Once again, I apologize, and thank you for watching.